So it's April 18th, I think, and as you can see, I am pumping. I got a new pump called the Baby Buddha. It's completely like portable and wireless, so I can just be on the go, which is the idea. It's been a little bit of a breastfeeding journey. She only wants to breastfeed in the night, so during the day when I'm on the move, I was looking for something that no matter where I was, I could be pumping. So today I am doing a couple of things other than taking care of babies. So Nate's birthday is coming up next week, and tomorrow we're gonna be flying to Costa Rica, which is super exciting. Baby's first trip on a plane and her first trip out of Mexico. So we're super excited about that, and I just need to, pack everything not only for us, but obviously for the baby. So I'm kind of working on a list. I've been looking at Where is Briggs, which is like a helpful traveling with babies and toddlers Instagram page that another mama here in Merida recommended, and she's just full of tips for traveling on planes with babies. So I'm gonna look there for a couple of ideas for like ways that we can cope and things I don't want to forget. And then so other than packing, which I want to show you guys, I'm also putting together like a little DIY gift for Nate's birthday. So kind of been doing that in secret. I'm gonna be printing out a bunch of pictures for him. Well, that's what we're up to today. And it is another lovely day with the babe, and so looking forward to traveling. Nate took off a few days for his birthday from work, so we'll just get to like go and enjoy the sloths and all the wildlife and the jungle, and there's like a waterfall hike we're gonna do. There is hot springs, there's the beach. So I cannot wait, and we've never been to Costa Rica, and the way that it happened was Nate originally was like, I want to go on a trip for my birthday. I said, okay, where do you want to go? He said San Cristobal de las Casas, which is in a state south of here of Mexico called Chiapas, which used to be part of Guatemala, fun fact. And we've been there several times. It's an amazing place to go. Come on. She's like, oh, baby. Okay, one sec. We got a little spit up on our hands. 1 second here. Oh, sweet. Another reason why I want to switch to mainly breast milk is I think sometimes she spits up with the formula, but anyway, we're very excited. I'll tell you the story of how we decided to go to Costa Rica instead of San Cristobal de las Casas soon. That's it into the little baby. Talk to you guys soon. Okay. Come this way. Wow, baby girl. You've almost got it. Okay. Wow. Good job. Good job. Come on, Daddy. Come on. Good girl. Alright, we are about to go to Costa Rica today. We are not packed at all. I finally came up with a packing list. The funny thing about me as a person who loves to travel is I absolutely hate packing. I always feel like I'm going to forget something. I overthink it. I end up packing way too much. Is anybody else out there like that? I hope I'm not the only one. But anyway, now with the baby comes an added component, which is I really want to make sure we don't forget anything, because there's certain things like even just in our little day trips day to day, if I forget, you know, it can kind of be a real pain in the butt, because for example, if we don't have formula and we're out and about and you know I didn't pump breast milk or something that day, yeah, it's not good. So just try to be super methodical and remember everything. But one cool thing is, so this is our first time obviously traveling really far with the babe on a plane. I got some tips from some people online, mainly on Instagram, other families who travel with their babies and toddlers, and this was one thing that they said to get. So it's a stroller gate check bag, which actually answers one of my questions. I'm like, do we check the stroller at the gate, or do we check it with the bags that we're checking? Pretty sure we check it at the gate, but it said it fits most strollers, so let's hope so. We have a baby jogger. Alright. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, it looks like it works. There we go. Alright, one less thing to do. Alright, so we have about 3.5 hours before we have to leave, and I've started to gather things, but nothing is really packed. But I have this pretty nifty little thing. It's called Pack Point. So you can tell it where you're going, it knows the weather, and it kind of asks you what activities you'll be doing and like who you're going with. So I added baby to it. The baby list is like by far the longest part of the list. This is all the baby stuff that I thought of that I need to put together. And I feel so disorganized right now. We have so many things on this list. I feel like there's stuff all over the house. I've been really wanting to organize, but it's been damn near impossible to get things organized how I want them. Like, I had good intentions this week of getting rid of clothes because they barely fit in my chest of drawers. And I want to get rid of a bunch of stuff that I haven't worn in years, and it's just sitting there, right? But I haven't done that. One thing at a time. I did make the bed this morning so that I can nicely pack on top of it. But let's see if we can get everything that we need. Here we go.
My sunshine, you are my sun, red and white. You are my sun, you are my sunshine, you are my sun.
Let's go to Costa Rica with the baby. And we're with,
Sophia's excited.
Yeah, we're with our good friend Mac, and he's amazing. He's with Dream Life Travels. He hooked us up with like the best itinerary, like made sure everything was taken care of, and drove us to the airport. What an amazing person and friend.
Native nomads. These people are wonderful. I'd do anything for them.
Oh, well, Dream Life Travels, he's the best, and his wife's the best, and thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, my pleasure.
All right, see you on the other side.
Yeah.
On the other side.
Good news. We went through Aeromexico, which is a really nice airline, and the woman gave us, we had an extra bag with our bassinet, which wouldn't fit in the suitcase, and yeah, she checked it for free. They checked the car seat and the stroller for free, and yeah, so we only had to basically pay for one checked bag, which was great. A little expensive, but I mean, for as much stuff as we had, definitely not bad. So we are so excited, and we're about to go do security. Yeah. Okay, just got through security, and she is a delight. She was smiling big, so too and happy. It was her first time going through the metal detector. And yeah, she's champion. So we are on our way.
I would give anything if you would give your love to me.
Okay, we're hoping that she calms down soon. She knows that something is happening. Okay, here we go. Its shoulder's about to fall off. Baby, calm down. Alright, baby's first flight. We made it on the plane and she was screaming, she was crying. Well, she wasn't screaming, she was crying. And she just didn't want to be in the carrier. So we took her out, we feeding her, and she's doing great. So hopefully it's going to be a very easy flight.
All that's left inside is a burn in my heart, and tears I have cried. I'll do you right. I would give anything if you would give.
So first flight, complete breeze. Now we're on to our second flight, which is twice as long, to Costa Rica.